Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change announcement bar color in Shopify Dawn theme. So what we'll need to do is basically go to the Shopify right here and click on your online store, then go to the themes and click on edit theme. Then you'll be redirected to this page, and after that what you'll need to do is go right here to the theme settings, click on colors, add a theme color. And here you'll see that you can add various colors. So let's choose a background. I want to be it green, so I'll choose green one. And for the text, I will choose a white text like this. And as you can see, right now we have a color scheme 6. So what we'll need to do is right now click just on your announcement bar. Alright, when you clicked, then what you'll need to do is zoom out a little bit if you don't see this section. And then if you just double click it, let me do like this, and then just click on your announcement bar right here, and you'll see the color scheme right here. And if we choose this one, we changed the announcement bar color in the Shopify Dawn theme. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.